Another week, another video. Hit that subscribe button. I put out a video each and every single week for you guys. Last week, I filled a request by Anthony. We did arroz con leche, and that thing tasted good. So thank you, Anthony, for making that request. I got another request from Chase. Tilapia. Tilapia sounds good. We're going to give that a shot today. If any of you guys want to see me turn a recipe into a video, drop a comment, go to my website, cookdon'tbelazy.com. I have a form where you can submit a recipe request through there. Go to my Instagram, drop a comment on any one of my pictures. Either which way, let it be known what you want me to turn into a video, and I'll do my best to make it if it's within my ability. So today we're going to do tilapia, so let's get started here on Cook! Don't Be Lazy. So the first thing we need is some tilapia. I can't seem to find any fresh tilapia where I live, so we're going to use some frozen tilapia. I know fresh is best, but frozen ain't going to kill you. So this is a quick and simple recipe. First thing we want to do is preheat our oven 400 degrees. Next thing we want to do is take care of our seasoning for our tilapia. So we're going to take a lemon and slice it in half. And then we're going to take one half. We're going to cut some slices out of it. We're going to use 2 slices of lemon per fillet of fish. I'm going to cook 2 fish, so I just need 4 slices of lemon. I'm going to move that out of the way. Let's start on our seasoning. I melted some butter. I've got half a stick of butter. I put it in the microwave on defrost for 1.5 minutes. This is the result. I'm going to take that other half a lemon. I'm going to squeeze that juice. I don't care if that seed fell in. It's alright, the seed falls in. I'm going to go for like a garlic lemon flavor with a small kick of heat. So some minced garlic. This guy was not opened. Alright. Just going to grab a small spoonful. Sazon for color. A little bit of Parsley Flakes. Oh, that pours out too slow. And for a little bit of heat, just a little bit of heat, some Creole Seasoning. Just give it a quick stir. Alright, move that guy out of the way. Take a sheet pan. Get yourself a brush. I'm gonna put a layer of this buttered season down on the sheet pan where I'm going to place my tilapia, and this will prevent the tilapia from sticking, on top of which is going to season the bottom side of the tilapia. We're going to take our tilapia, put it on top of there, and we're just going to brush this on top. Now you can be generous if you want. We want to take our lemon slices and put them on top just like that. So next thing we gotta do is throw this bad boy into the oven. We're gonna let that cook for about 12 minutes. Just making sure I'm keeping track of the time. Okay, so as you can see, I've already got some sides on the stove. So when this comes out in 12 minutes, time to plate up. So as you can see, tilapia is one of the easiest things you can make. Thank you, Chase, for recommending it. So until next week, you guys know the drill. Cook! Don't be lazy.